Hey guys, my camera's acting kind of funny. I made some French onion soup so that I could melt my homemade Gruyere cheese on the little toasty croutons on the top. Of course, you can do French onion soup without it, but to me that's kind of the whole point, is to be able to do this. I've been making vegan French onion soup for a very long time, and my dad was one of the people that really enjoyed it, even without the toast and the cheese, back when I didn't know how to make cheese like this, and I couldn't get decent cheese. I would rather go without than put a substandard cheese on top of the little slices of baguette in here. So basically, French onion soup is made with beef stock. So I used my very dark caramelized vegetable beef style stock, which is homemade, and I should show you guys how to do that. Added to the caramelized onions that cook for quite a while, at a very low heat. When you do French onion soup, you want to slice your onions laterally, or no, longitudinally. Instead of like into onion rings, because you want the even slices, and you don't want it to completely disintegrate with the long cooking. So and there's a little bit of garlic in there too. There's bay leaf and thyme and red wine. Don't leave the red wine out. It's a fundamental part of the soup. So it's just fresh out from under the broiler, and I can see some steam, but let me give it a taste. It is hot, of course. Oh, look at all that steam. I know the soup is good because I taste as I go. Just the seasoning. It's also got some black pepper in it, and salt to taste. And let me see, I've got some of the cheesy crouton now, so look at that steam. I know I'm going to burn myself. I have to suffer for my art here. Look at that looks so good down in there. Wow. The bread sitting on the top soaks up the onion broth, and the cheese melts on top, and it's just so good. If you've never done this before, you need to try it. If you like French onion soup and you haven't had it since you've been vegan, I think you'll really enjoy this. So, I'm not going to keep burning. I want to keep eating it, but I'm not going to keep burning myself. I will have a link to not yesterday's, but my previous video in the description, along with a link to the Using Vegan Dairy Foods and Recipes playlist, and a link to the videos that feature that this has got nothing but the Gruyere cheese. So I'll have a link to the Gruyere cheese video, and the recipe will be on the blog. Thank you to everyone who likes my videos. Thank you to everyone who leaves comments on my videos, especially nice comments. And thank you especially if you watch the entire video. A lot of people don't watch the whole thing. Mine aren't that long. You don't have to sit for very long and watch the entire video, and it helps the channel if you watch to the end. So thank you very much, and I'll see you later, guys.